So feature-wise this week, I haven't really included that much more new. But what I have done is I've sorted out a lot of the chatting system. It no longer loads any of the community previous chatting or anything. But what it does do is it keeps a log of how many new chatters I have. So if you see here, I type in and I'll get one new chatter and it will say my name. If someone else was to chat, this would turn into their name and that would turn into 2. But if I was to chat again, that would not increase. It only does it if it's new. The additional thing I've done is a zoom control on third person. So if I want to like customize exactly how it looks, I can like, for the stream, I can just control where it is zoom into. I haven't got any sensitivity controls yet, it's just really basic. One thing I really have to bear in mind for the future is it's really important to set the variables here in Twitch connection, as well as this over here where I'm setting the array so I know who is new or who isn't. This doesn't get saved to a save state, so this only works as fresh for every new session, and the logic to dictate whether a person has spoken or hasn't spoken before is here. So basically every time a name is not contained within the array, it will do between has spoken or is first time chatter. So therefore, if I wanted to do more logic from here, this is where I would do it based on the first time. So say for example, if a first time chatter, I want a different emote or a different animation, this is where I'll plug it in, and if they have spoken before and it's just a simple message, it's here. So it's just dividing out the code. So Twitch messages are getting a lot stronger, but the whole Twitch subscribe still needs a lot of work, as well as some of the channel point events. But the channel points are super stable. I haven't had any problems with them so far. I've just done some simple changes to the UI, just added myself some extra debugging tools, nothing really for the end game. And I've made a new save function called community save, where I could save like who's been a subscriber in the past and IDs and usernames, so I can look up who is what based on community engagement, which would go more into the Twitch design documentation that I've been doing. The third person character has had quite a bit of cleanup and expansion. I can lock the mouse, I can this is where I'm starting to struggle, where I can cast into Twitch connections and things. The save state is working a lot better and it is cleaner now, but saving the community inside the player seems to be a bit of a dumb call at the moment in time. So I've broken it apart and I'm having problems referencing save states within UI. So I feel like I need to do it within the game state now. All the health and key functions are individual functions now, so everything's nice and clean. And I need to expand the health function. I don't need this anymore. So just a recap of all the functions that I have. I've got the automatic connection. My updating is done a lot better, but I really need more than one person to properly test that. I've got the zoom now, but I don't have a way in which to invert it. I've got meditate. I can show the cursor now. And if I wanted to, I could like do something like that. I could zoom right in to make it really, you know, scenic or something. I could lock the camera, and then this would be streamed on its own. So it's not disturbable as much if it's on one PC. So just small improvements really.